Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today I'm going to choose a one previous video which I uploaded past a couple of years back, and just trying to listen that and do the practice of English listening basically. Okay, so in this video I'm going to choose this video which I uploaded like past 2 years back, and you can find out how I have improved and how I am working on my language since 2 years back, and I'm able to basically hold that consistency from a past 2 to 3 years back, because nowadays a lot of people don't able to get some sort of mindset, because they are very much of distracted by a lot of things which is related to their cell phones, or they are very disturbed by their personal lives and some sort of things. But I basically personally don't get used to of these things, and I do have a clear crystal clear goal, and I'm working on it. So I'll just start this video, and you will find out this video how helpful it is. Hi everyone, how you doing? I hope you had a great day. So in this particular video, I have a cue card. Basically, the same thing I'm gonna do in this particular video as well. And the cue card is about describing a vacation that I had in my life. So this is kind of topic, and I'm gonna start it by writing down all the words. And I took 1 minute for taking notes, and I have wrote down all the notes, and now I'm like starting the cue card. And so let's get started. So if I talk about vacations that I take in my life, is kind of vacation that I had with my family, because I'm not able to allow to go vacation on by myself, and that's why I do every year the same thing in my schooling, that in the summer's vacation I had to go to with my parents to my hometown. And basically it is in Uttarakhand, and in there, like, I've seen lot of mountains and majestic mountains and places. But basically what I did there is completing my homework and just exploring the new places over my hometown. So this is kind of basic thing I did there in the past, like 2 to 3 years back. This is I'm talking about right now. And basically I live around 1 month of vacations, summer vacations, in nature, and I feel like I should need to like live here only, not want to like. So it is kind of benefits to live in the natural place, like natural air, like we can see in Delhi. You will get lot of polluted air. So this is it for today's video. I think I don't able to make around two. So this is how I uploaded videos in multiple times, and it is like starting of my career, where I just try to speak at least for 1 minute, which is very difficult for me at that moment, because I haven't prepared some sort of camera in like my life, and I'm very introvert person, and I don't want to get to interact with anyone, because it's feel like why I should care about, right? So it happens to everyone, but it's still, like, if you want to improve yourself in your personality and your speaking skills, so you need to express yourself with the random peoples, because that is how you are able to explore the world, and that is very benefit for me and you as well. So yeah, try to take a challenge which can improve you and yourself as well. So I made some sort of multiple mistakes at the moment, before that moment. So that's why I've chosen this challenge, and that I feel like I have taken a right decision. So on this note, I am completing this video. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye. Have a good day.